Hi guys, I'm back again. This is Natalie, and today we're gonna do the A/B test update from Optimize. So the last one didn't go really well. It was there for 2 weeks. I'm gonna show you guys some things that we learned, so you don't do the same mistake as us. So this was the old version, right? I think I showed you guys before on the previous video. If you haven't seen it, I'm gonna add the link below. So the old version was a bit like the picture itself was all the integrations that we can work with. And the new version, we changed the widget. The problem that we realized is, one, the image wasn't fitting well on the website, and it's really important because the hero image is the first thing that users watch and see once they get into your website, right? And the image wasn't fitting well on the site, and obviously it was like way too small for our website, and that made it a bit like confusing at the same time. And also the thing is, the landing page, the image that we have was about a business that we work with called Mi Cerveza, which is working really well with us. The only problem is like users will get into our website and will think, oh, okay, maybe they work with beers, or they have e-commerce with beers, you know. And the reality, it's not. Like we are a WhatsApp customer service that you can add in your WhatsApp widget button in your website. And we work with all different e-commerces, different like businesses, and it's really well to communicate with your customers. Okay, they can just click on your widget button and they can, you know, ask any question, ask for your schedule, ask for a meeting with us. Also, we have implemented 2 new functions, that is bookings and campaigns. These tools are gonna work super well in your site, in your WhatsApp widget button, because they can now ask for an appointment with you, and also create a campaign as well, like Christmas campaigns. They also, like before, could actually do the Black Friday one, but now we have to focus on the new one. So Christmas campaign would be amazing to use campaigns tool, and I'll add the link below as well, like afterwards. So this is gonna be now our new version on the A/B test. So here you can see our new site. We have made the button also like bigger and rounded, right? We also added the sign up free, because I think it's really important for users to know that they can try it for free and then see if they actually, if it actually works well on their site. It's definitely gonna work, but you know, you always have to say it too. We also changed the headline and the title as well. We also added on the description our new tools, campaigns, and bookings. And we're gonna see how it works. Also, this is not gonna be the final image. The hero image, we have changed it to a new one, which is gonna be something like this. This is the mock-up. And then we'll see how it works. I'll keep you guys updated and see you on the next video. Bye.